Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to remove background in Canva. So the first step is to simply create your design. So I'm gonna go and create a logo. So as you can see, I have design here. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go on and search for some elements here. So let's search for someone like this one here. And as you can see, let's say I want to remove this background. Now, of course, if you want, you can go to uploads and upload your own images, but I'm gonna use this free pick for this tutorial. So what you're gonna have to do in order to remove the background is to simply click on edit photo. So click once on the photo and then simply go and click on edit photo, and then simply click on background remover here on the left side. And after that, Canva will do the magic work for us. And as you can see now, there is nothing left, and now we can resize this if we want. So I'm gonna resize this like this, and now if you want, so let me decrease this. As you can see now, we can basically add and change the colors. So as you can see, it's very easily, we can add the gradients. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.